Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how I do my nails, what my nail routine is, and how I keep my nails long and strong. First, I'm going to start off with a scrub. This is just to remove any dead skin around the cuticles and off my hands. After I apply the scrub, I just go ahead and wash my hands with warm water. After that, I take my oil and moisturize my hands. I focus it around my cuticles and under my nails. Now it's time to get into the actual video of my nail routine. Comment down below if you're trying to grow your nails and what things are you struggling with while trying to grow your nails. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below and give this video a like. Am I the only one that's taking extra once I get my nails done? Clapping extra, pointing extra. Thanks for watching.
Now I got cause, now